let's have this item. Let's simplify this complex fraction. So, para mag-simplify tayo ng complex fraction, ang first step natin is for us to identify all the denominators. So, meron tayo ditong 6, 2, and 3. Tapos, kunin natin yung least common denominator nila. So, 6, 2, and 3, their least common denominator is 6. Now, pag nakuha na natin yung least common denominator, we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 6. Ayan. Tapos, let's apply multiplying fraction. So, 5 over 6 times 6, we can cancel 6. Ayan. Tapos, we will have 5 in our numerator. Sa denominator naman, we will apply the distributive property. So, 6 times 3 over 2. So, cancel natin si 2, tapos multiply natin si numerator by 3. Kasi 6 divided by 2 is 3, tapos 3 times 3 will be 9. So, that will be our first number sa ating denominator. Tapos, copy natin yung operation addition. Now multiply natin si 7 over 3 kay 6. So, 6 times 7 over 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So, multiply natin yung 2 sa 7. Then, 7 times 2 will be 14. Now, add natin yung ating denominator, 9 plus 14. That will give us 23. So, our fraction will now be 5 over 23. Now, pwede pa ba natin siyang i-simplify? Hindi na. So, since hindi na natin siya pwedeng i-simplify, 5 over 23 will be our final answer. And that's it. Tada! Alright. Okay, let's have this item. Let's simplify this complex fraction. So, meron tayong sobrang complex fraction dito. So, ang first step natin pag magsisimplify tayo ng ganitong complex fraction is for us to get the denominators. So, we have 2, 4, 8, and 4 as our denominators. So, kunin natin yung least common denominator nila ni 2, 4, 8, and 4. That will give us 8 as our least common denominator. Tapos, pag nakuha na natin yung least common denominator, we will multiply that to our numerator and denominator. So, multiply natin yung 8 sa numerator at sa denominator natin ng ating complex fraction. Now, let's use the distributive property here. So, 8 times 5 over 2. So, 8 times 5 over 2, we can cancel 2 and 8 will become 4. So, 5 times 4, that will be 20. Now, kopyahin natin yung operation minus. Now, 7 over 4 times 8, we can cancel 4. And 8 will become 2. So, multiply natin yung 2 sa 7. So, 7 times 2 will be 14. That will be our numerator. Punta naman tayo sa ating denominator. So, distribute ulit natin si 8. So, 8 times 3 over 8, we can cancel 8. 8 divided by 8 kasi is 1. So, 3 times 1 will be 3. So, that will be our first number sa denominator. Kopyahin natin yung operation addition. Tapos, multiply natin si 11 over 4 kay 8. So, we can divide 8 and 4. That will be 2. So, 11 times 2 will be 22. Now, let's perform the indicated operation sa numerator and denominator. So, we will have 20 minus 14. That is 6. So, sa denominator naman, we have 3 plus 22. That will be 25. So, our fraction will now be 6 over 25. Now, let's simplify if possible. So, since hindi na natin siya pwedeng i-simplify, 6 over 25 will be our final answer. And that's it. Alright. Okay, let's simplify this complex fraction. So, looking at our fraction, medyo complex nga siya, di ba? So, ang gagawin natin pag magsisimplify tayo ng ganitong complex fraction is for us to get the denominator. So, ang denominator natin, we have 12 and 12. So, pagkatapos natin kunin lahat ng denominator na present sa ating complex fraction, we have to get the least common denominator. So, we have 12 and 12. So, the least common denominator is 12. Now, let's multiply both numerator and denominator by the least common denominator, which is 12. Now, apply tayo ng ating distributive property. So, we have to multiply 12 to 2 and 7 over 12 sa numerator. 12 sa 2 and negative 11 over 12. Now, simula tayo sa numerator natin. Distribute natin si 12. 12 times 2 is 24. Tapos, kopyahin natin yung operation addition. 12 times 7 over 12. So we can cancel 12. That will just give us 7. Now, punta naman tayo sa denominator. Distribute natin si 12. 12 times 2, that will also be 24. Tapos, copyin natin yung operation. Then, multiply natin si 12 kay 11 over 12. We can cancel 12. And, okay, so 11 times 1 will be 11. Now, let's perform the indicated operation kay numerator at kay denominator. So, start tayo kay numerator. 24 plus 7, that will be 31. Tapos punta tayo sa denominator, 24 minus 11, that will be 13. Now, let's simplify if possible. 31 over 13, hindi na natin siya pwedeng i-simplify. So, our final answer will now be 31 over 13. And that's it. Ta-da! Alright. Okay, let's simplify this complex fraction. So, we have here our complex fraction. And paano nga ba natin siya isi-simplify? So, ang first step natin is for us to identify the denominator present in our complex fraction. So, yung mga denominators natin, we have 4 and 6 sa ating complex fraction. So, after getting the denominators of our complex fraction, kukunin natin yung kanilang least common denominator. So, 4 and 6, ano ba yung least common denominator nila? So, that will give us 12. So, the least common denominator is 12. We will use that to multiply to both numerator and denominator para matanggal lahat ng denominators natin. Now, let's apply the distributive property in multiplying our numerator by the least common denominator and the denominator by the least common denominator. So, multiply natin. Let's start first with the numerator. So, 12 times 5, that will be 60. Then, copy the operation, minus, tapos 12 times 9 over 4. So, we can cancel 4 kasi 12 divided by 4 is 3. Tapos, multiply natin yung 3 kay numerator na 9. So, 9 times 3 will be 27. So, that will be our numerator. Punta naman tayo sa denominator natin. So, 12 times the denominator. So, 12 times 6, that will be 72. Tapos, copyahin natin yung operation na addition. Tapos, 12 times 5 over 6. So, we can cancel 6 kasi 12 divided by 6 is 2. And we multiply that to our numerator 5. So, 5 times 2 is 10. Now, let's perform the indicated operation sa ating numerator at sa ating denominator. So, let's start with the numerator. 60 minus 27 is 33. 72 plus 10 will now be 82. So, ang numerator natin is 33. Ang denominator natin is 82. Let's see if we can still simplify them. And since we cannot simplify 33 over 82 anymore, this will be our final answer. 33 over 82. And that's it. Ta-da! Alright. And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.